All right, y'all, we're doing inequalities today. So we're going to do little graphs, and let me show you what to do here. So let's start by splitting this up. Look at the side with the variable. You're going to get rid of the -5 first. So the first step, you're going to add 5 to get rid of that -5. Copy that same inequality. A lot of times I see this, and I see just that not getting copied. So make sure you copy that, and then you divide by whatever number is in front of the letter. Okay, so that gets you your answer. Now, as you're doing your graph, you need an open circle. I guess first, just put the number in 0. If it's positive, put it to the right. If it's negative, put it to the left. But just put that number in 0. It's an open circle. Now, just think of a number that would work here. What number is less than 8? Like 6 is less than 8. So when you draw the arrow, well, 6 is over here. So draw the arrow that way toward that number you thought of. And that will get you your answer. Okay, let's go through one more over here. This has the negative in front of the A, so this will be a sign flipper. I can just tell you that right now. So first, let's get rid of the -8 by +8. So I have -6A less than or equal to 1. Okay? Now right here, I'm going to divide by this -6. And when you divide by a negative, you got to flip that sign. 1 divided by -6, don't really worry about the fractions, put the negative out front, 1/6. If it reduces, I'm not too worried about it. Over here, 16 divided by 2 divided evenly. You actually could have put 16/2 and it'd still be correct, but I'll just leave it as 8 there. 1/6 gets messy, just leave it as 1/6. It doesn't reduce anyway. When we do our graph, the only thing you have to keep in mind is that this is a negative number. It doesn't matter if it's a fraction or anything like that. So when you do your graph, put the 0 to the right and the -1/6 over here. Just put the negative on the other side of the 0. Beautiful. All right. So let's see here. We have or equals, so fill in the circle. You see it's got the little extra line there, fill in the circle. This one didn't have the little extra line, don't fill in the circle. And what's something that's greater than -1/6? Well, 10 is greater than -1/6. You can think of any number. There are infinite possibilities here. So draw your arrow toward 10 over here. Just think of something that makes sense to you. Okay, and even at the basic level, remember, if it looks like an L, that's less than. If it goes the other way, it's greater than. So that's just a way you can remember that by. Or you have the number monster. The number monster eats the bigger number. So there's 4 and 8. There's the monster. The monster likes to eat the 8 because 8 is bigger than 4. There are lots of different ways to think about that, but by now you got to basically know what those signs mean, or that's going to mess you up, and that's no good. Go ahead and try the next two to the right here. So let me scooch this. I want you to do these two right here. Do both of these. We'll go over in a minute, and I'll catch up with you. Peace be with you.